I wonder why Jamaicans obsess over this dish so much. Could it be that it's salty and succulent, unctuous, velvety, smooth, just perfect? Who cares? Now I'm hungry. So, let's make some oxtail and beans. Welcome back, guys. I want to tell you that oxtail is not as hard as you may think it is. We're gonna go through 4 major parts. We want to marinate or season, then we're gonna brown our meat, then we're gonna braise, which is basically cooking in the liquid for a long time. But instead of braising, I'm gonna do the shortcut version, which is using a pressure cooker. Yes, that is one of my favorite pots in the kitchen. So we're gonna marinate, brown, pressure cook, and then finish our dish. It's pretty simple. But first, let's just marinate and put this baby in the fridge to just suck up all of that good seasonings overnight, and then we're gonna finish it tomorrow. Before seasoning, we want to remove excess fat so that we have less liquid fat to deal with when our dish is cooked. Use canned beans as well, but I wanted to show you how to cook your beans from scratch. Alright guys, our oxtail has been marinating for about 6 hours. You know what that means? Lots of flavor. So I'm going to show you how to do the next phase, which is browning our oxtails, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a shallow pot and then transfer it to my pressure cooker. I'm doing it this way because I want to show you how to brown it and how it looks and the whole process, and then we're going to transfer it into the pressure cooker. Otherwise, you can do everything in your pressuring pot. Okay, first let's chop some onions. Jamaicans season the oxtail with the onions and herbs at the marinating stage. However, I prefer layering the flavors to prevent burning the solid seasonings when browning the oxtail. On to the third stage, which is braising, but we're gonna do it in record time in our pressure cooker. All right, so let's go. Now at this point, we're just gonna literally throw our stock in, get all of that good stuff in there. My oxtails in. So the oxtails are nice and caramelized. Got all of that caramelized bits in there with some beef stock. Man. smells divine. I'm using a liquid fat separator to remove excess oil. Watch the oil rise to the top, guys. This way I get to the jus while watching my waistline. By the way, this is one of my advanced kitchen essential tools. Be sure to watch my video where I go through my list of kitchen essentials. Use your sense of taste and smell to flavor the oxtail to perfection. Delish, but we need to season some more. You don't need cornstarch to thicken. You could simmer it until the sauce thickens on its own. Fresh herbs and seasoning adds a layer of crispness and accentuates your dish even more. Alright, we're at the finish, guys. Let's see how our oxtail is looking. It smells divine. Alright, the sauce is very thick and gelatinous. Oh, look at that, guys. Let's share this out. Ooh, look at that sauce. Oh my gosh. It smells so beefy. Ta-da! My word, look at this spread, guys. I am so happy. It smells so good. I'm about to no longer be hungry. Anyway, I hope you cooked this recipe. Please leave a comment below and tell me how you like it. Make sure you try it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys, for more awesome content, especially from this independent series where I show you how to do iconic Jamaican dishes. Alright guys, now I'm going to show y'all how to eat an oxtail properly. For those of you who don't know. Ready for some mukbang? Salty and sweet, beefy. Get the plantain. You gotta get that gravy up in here. Very briny and salty and sweet. You gotta get all the gelatinous meat off of there. And just bite around it. Nothing should be left on the bone. No, for the good part. Juice. So good. And that's how you eat an oxtail. What should I eat for you next?